Hey super swing traders, I hope you're doing good. Today we're going to take a look at some charts and see where we can identify supply and demand order flow and trade it for income. On the Canadian Swiss franc Forex pair on the monthly, you can see that price made a big drop and then now it's just ranging between these two zones. So it's been tested up many times, but then it dropped, tested once in this zone, and now it's just ranging. So you want to short at the top and buy at the bottom, basically, when you're in a ranging market. But this is really poor price action. You see that these candles, this is a good one, it dropped, and then when it came back up it went down. But then this candle here, if you're gonna low odds of trading this candle because it dropped and then it immediately came back up, so you don't want that. Same with this, but this one is a little bit better. It dropped and then it came back up and then it dropped. So some of these are not really good. Like this one, you can't really figure out where to sell or buy. Okay, so our highest time frame is telling us that this forex pair is ranging between the supply and demand zone. So when it gets down here, look for buy opportunities. When it gets here, look for selling opportunities. On the weekly, we see that it created its own little zone in between here, and same thing, created a supply zone, demand zone down here. It came down to this demand zone and then now it's rallying. This demand zone here is holding price up. So good long opportunities down here, but now it's getting really close to the supply zone, so I don't recommend buying into when it's like, when price is hitting, is going to hit about 80% of the next zone or the higher if it's going to hit any opposing supply zone or any higher time frame zone. If once it reaches about 80%, I don't go long anymore. I don't wait until price hits the zone before I stop. Before, like, let's say if price is here or down here, I don't go long anymore. I would go long down here. I don't want to go long too close to the opposing supply zone or the higher time frame supply zone. Like for example, this strong move is located down here. So down here we could, the price retraces down here and then move back up. We still got a little bit of room for profit, but if we're up here, like if it formed a basing candle up here and a strong rally and then wait for price to drop, that may be too high for me in the range, because if I'm right here, it's already up here, so don't want to buy too high. Down here, I think it's okay. On the daily, we have this really poor price action, but now it finally made a move up, breaking this area of supply on the daily and creating this area of demand. So if price reaches down here, it could be a good long opportunity, because on the higher time frames you have the weekly demand zone in control, so it could go up higher. This area on the monthly, it formed this bearish piercing candle, but then now price is immediately going, there's this long wick and there's price immediately coming back to this basing, so you know supply orders are pretty weak there. So this is a decent trade. Just remember guys, I'm not a financial advisor. I don't I don't have the license to tell you what to trade or anything. I'm just giving you my deep analysis and long time frame analysis to help you form your own bias. Okay, so this is the zone I'm looking to see if it will hold and price go up. On the 4 hour, there's no good zones at all. You can draw the trend line. Trend line is broken and now price is just going down, retracing, and possibly retracing to this zone down here. Which is the same zone as, well, deeper into this zone, daily zone. Alright, so that is the analysis on the Canadian Swiss franc. I hope you found this video helpful, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks. Thank you for watching this video. Please remember to give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and leave a comment below. If you're not already subscribed, please click the subscribe button below and click that little bell icon. That way you'll get notified of the next video that I publish. Thanks again for watching.